Howdy folks, it is 4 degrees outside here in central Missouri. You see the feels like is -9. Well, it should say down here what the wind chill is. If you give it a minute, well, it rotates through here. Wind chill -12 because it's about 9-mile-per-hour winds. Very cold out. I'm wanting to go out and start my 1995 Ford F-250 in the cold to see how well it fires up. It's a diesel, 7.3 power stroke. We got a little bit of snow here the other night, not much. There it is. Ain't much, but it still runs. Frozen stuck. There goes nothing. Well, I'm gonna glow plug it for a minute. Wait for about a minute or so on the time here, 7:51. Let that glow plug for a little bit longer till that changes here. The batteries voltage is low here, so the little plugs are on. Let's see what it'll do. There it is. Didn't like it, but it's doing it. Moved the truck out of the way and I stumbled upon a big black pile of oil. This is pretty much dried up a little bit, but this was a big old massive puddle of oil here. I might have to get some kitty litter or something to clean this up, but took it to the shop. They said it was a oil cooler tube that needed to be replaced, so I have to get that fixed, but I'm glad it wasn't anything more or anything worse than what it is.